Hello everyone, you are watching Simply Education. Believe bigger, aim higher. Today we will discuss about India to assume who leadership role. That is, India will lead WHO World Health Organization for next 3 years. So let us start. You can see an article from Hindustan Times. It's saying that India to get lead role at WHO next month amid global 19 COVID crisis. India is on the side of transparency and accountability in the COVID-19 outbreak and reforms in the WHO, a government official said. To understand this article, you have to first understand what is WHA, that is World Health Assembly. World Health Assembly is a forum through which the World Health Organization is governed by its 194 member states. That means World Health Assembly is the governing body of WHO. World Health Assembly makes or creates policies by which World Health Organizations implement those policies at the ground level. World Health Assembly is the world's highest health policy setting body and is composed of health ministers from the member states. World Health Assembly headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland, like WHO. World Health Assembly is the leader or leading body of the world in the Department of Health. So, the Geneva-based WHA will hold a virtual meeting on 18th and 19th May to elect its members to 34 Nation Executive Board. Among other things, it will be followed by a board meeting on May 22, and on this day, that is May 22, WHA will elect or select its chairperson from the nominations of India. Officials of WHA have confirmed that India's nominee will take over the chairperson, replacing Japan for the next 3 years. You can see here, India is likely to hold the post for the next 3 years. The timing of the appointment is really very crucial. That is, given the worldwide debate on the roles of WHO is on the question mark. WHO during this pandemic and the various criticism of WHO's Director General Tedros Adhanom has faced, and the criticisms were at the high at this moment or at the point of time. Tedros Adhanom is the Director General of WHO, who is a resident by Ethiopia and was a former health minister of Ethiopia. So, India's strategic allies like minded democracies such as Australia, United States of America wants to take a firm stand against China, and it gears up to assume a decisive role at the World Health Organization later this month. On the other hand, there is a tweet from China's spokesperson Ji Rong, who said that China's positions on Taiwan's region's participation in WHO activities, including WHA, is clear and consistent. It must be handled according to the One China principle. Then, question arises on everyone's mind that what role or what stand India will follow. Should India follow the USA or Australia stand, or should India follow the China stand? This is really a big question or big confusion in the mind of India. We will find this later. Here you can see another article from the print who says that pressure mounts on India to call out China for COVID-19 as it readies to take a lead role at WHO. As India taking a lead role at WHO, that means India stands to, as per COVID-19 case, will be a significant role, will play a significant role if India stands through USA or Australia. But India can ask various questions to the WHO or Director General of WHO, or should arise important questions in that meeting. The question should like this: why did it buy China's word on the human transmission? Why did WHO downplay or blatantly lie about how lethal the coronavirus was? Why did WHO declare a pandemic only after the virus had reached only 85 countries? Dr. Tedros, that means the Director General of WHO, sent a delegation to China. What again did it achieve? What did this delegation achieve from China? And why can't the other world talk about the place of origin of this virus? This is a really crucial question. Next, India can ask why and on what basis should we trust China's recovery? Why won't it share research with initial test sample as a WHO member nation? What evidence does China have to claim that this virus did not originate in the Wuhan lab? Why should not global experts have access to this lab? These are the very crucial and interesting questions which will not yet answered by World Health Organization, which is their duty to answer these questions to all the member nations and to all the world, but who till now did not give these answers. So India can ask this question as a chairperson of World Health Assembly. And the last, should India support the Taiwan's observer status in WHO? Can they help, they means Taiwan, help the world by giving some sort of data or informations regarding this pandemic? Why they can't be an observer if they already did it in the past? For your information, Taiwan has already an observer in 2009 World Health Assembly meeting. So this question is for you. Should India support the Taiwan's observer status in WHO? Please mention below in the comment box. For this day, thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and make a safe and social distancing. Thank you.